Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Pag-usapan natin ngayon yung napabalitang na-disband o na-deactivate ang Vice President Protection and Security Group na pinasinungalingan naman ng AFP. Sabi, hindi daw na-disband, na-reorganize lang. Kaya lang ngayon, lumalabas ang mga post na ako, personally, medyo nasasaktan ako. Dahil binabatikos ang AFP. I was once a part of AFP. And until now, kahit retired na ako, I still have that pride of being a member of the AFP. Kaya nasasaktan ako itong mga post na parang naghugas kamay na daw ang AFP. Papaliwanag ko mamaya. Post ni Teo Moreno, isinare niya ang post ni Red Mendoza. Napunta na tuloy sa Holy Week. Hugas kamay, kaya medyo masakit ba? Teo Moreno, sabi niya, nang makita ni Pilato na wala siyang magagawa at malamang ay magkagulo, nagpakuha siya ng tubig at naghugas ng kamay sa harap ng mga tao. Wala akong pananagutan sa dugo ng taong ito. Ito'y pananagutan ninyo, sabi niya. Matthew 27, verse 24. Ibang klaseng pabasa sa GHQ AFP. Ito na. Pabasa, di ba, sa Holy Week? Malapit ng Holy Week, mayroong pabasa. Ano yung pabasa ng GHQ AFP? Ito na, Red Mendoza. Ipinost niya yung general orders ng Armed Forces of the Philippines ordering the deactivation ng Vice President Security Group. Ito yung dokumento nga nakuha ng Manila Times. Kaya kahapon nag-publish ang Manila Times ng article nila na General Browner disbanded BP Security Group. Anong basihan ng Philippine Star? Ay ito, general orders. So, hindi naman ni-refute ng AFP na peke ito. Ibig sabihin, tunay ito. O, basahin ko ha. Ang sabi, ang aga naman ng Good Friday para maghugas ng kamay. General Order, confidential, sabi dito, General Headquarters, Armed Forces of the Philippines, Camp General Emilio Aguinaldo, Quezon City, OTAG, ito yung Office of the Adjutant General, 10 February 2025, General Order Number 196, Section 1, Deactivation, Section 2, Reorganization and Subsequently Activation. Number 1, deactivation. Ano ba ang pagkakaiba o similarity ng disbandment or deactivation? Di ba halos parehas lang? Binuwag. Binuwag. Di din na-disband. Kaya tama yung report ng Manila Times. Na-disband. Deactivation. The Vice Presidential Security and Protection Group is deactivated effective 06 February 2025. Nandito. It's an official order. Na-disband, na-deactivate. Section 2, Reorganization and Subsequently Activation. The Special Detail Battalion, General Headquarters and Headquarters Service Command is reorganized and subsequently activated into the Armed Forces of the Philippines Security and Protection Group of GHQ and Headquarters Service Command AP effective 06 February 2025. The mission of the Armed Forces of the Philippines Security and Protection Group is to protect Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines, Philippines and other very important persons as approved by the Department of National Defense. So, by command of General Browner Jr. Sinong nag-utos? Di si General Browner. By command of General Browner. Official, Jimmy D. Larida, Lieutenant General, Philippine Navy Marines, the Deputy Chief of Staff. Signed, Bernard Fortes Jr., Brigadier General, the Adjutant General. Yan po. Kaya, na-disband yung BP Protection and Security Group. That is a fact. Kaya lang, later on, reorganize sila ng another unit to provide security to the Vice President and other VIPs. So, ngayon, ang kaibahan, yung dating Vice Presidential Security and Protection Group solely dedicated for the protection of the Vice President. Ngayon, dahil na disband ito, na deactivate, may bagong unit, itong AFP Protection and Security Group, na ang kanyang tutukan, protection ni VP Sara and other VIPs. So, hindi na dedicated para sa Vice President. Yun po ang ano. Kaya lang, masakit itong nababasa kong mga post na naghugas kamay ang AFP na ikabit tuloy sa Semana Santa. So, anong kwan nito is, sana, naging mas transparent sana ang AFP para hindi sila naunahan. Kasi naunahan sila ng Manila Times sa pag-publish. Kaya, negative na ang dating sa publicity na dinisband. Kung maagap lang sana ang AFP, noong February 10, pinablish na nila ito at nag-explain na sa taong bayan na na-reorganize lang ang protection ng Vice President nandyan pa rin, ito lang, bagong unit. O di, naintindihan ng taong bayan, hindi sila magre-react. Problema, naunahan sila ng Manila Times. Yun ang kakulangan ng AFP. Okay,